get all shined up nice, but I don't want to get my leather tool bag saturated with water. And over here, one thing about these open primaries, look at her, she's turned into a dust bunny. You don't want to get water down inside here. So I made a price chopper bag into a nice little guard, held on with these nice little, whatever they are, fasteners, to keep the worst of the water out. Notice it makes a little trough right here. It just runs away. It doesn't get down inside there. So I'm going to hose her down nice and give her a good cleaning. But oh, a good day for it too. Yeah, old Humble's out here having fun. Getting ready to start to come up with the ideas I want to use for the movie. I want to make a movie with Bella and myself, obviously, and I'd like to get a couple of my friends. Ken Tominski, for one of them, he's a martial artist, sensei, real life, honest to God. I have a couple other martial artist friends, and we're going to make a nice little video called Then Came Humble. Working on the script in my mind as I'm working on this, so we'll see how it turns out. Now guys, inevitably when you're going to be working with water and cleaning the bike, you're going to have spots that are going to be prone to rust or what have you. So what I like to do is I like to take this silicone spray and put some in there, just like that. And then I want to use this stuff here. Now this is a wonderful, wonderful thing. It's got lanolin and it really works. You will not get rust if you use this. Let me take the top off. And we're going to spray some, give it a good shake. Spray it right in there. Okay, that's way more than enough, but it's always better to have. As Yngwie Malmsteen said, more is more. So come on over. I'll show you what we're going to do. Just got done cleaning Bella really nice. But there's spots here you're going to notice right off the bat are starting to get a little rust. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Q-tip, get it in the gumbo, and put it right in there. And we're going to anoint this. Oh, don't start this shit. We're going to anoint this nice. And that's going to be the end of the rust. We're going to stop it. Well, don't worry about the wiggle. We'll get that in a minute. We're going to come right on over here. And let me use the other hand to hang on to the phone and get it in there good. Now you're not going to have to do this every time. Just this once. Get it really good in there. Okay? Everywhere you think that you're going to find spots where it's prone to give you a little bit of an effort, you don't want any rust. Rust is no good. So come on over here. Here's another spot that sometimes you're going to need to take care of. Is inside of here. Take care of that while we're at it. Now, is there any other place that you can see? Well, there's a spot that looks like maybe we could use a little something. See the water just come out of there? Give her a little twist. It's really tough to get into there, so we're going to do the best we can. Let's find the trouble spots before we go apeshit. Ah, here's one. Here's a trouble spot right here. We're going to come back with a cloth and take care of the excess in just a moment. Well, here's a spot. Let's get right in there with this. This is going to save you. I mean, little do you know, as time progresses, now here's some more spots we can get. Right up in here. You don't want rust in there. That just ruins the whole situation. Push it right in. We're going to come back, don't worry. All right, we got those two. Let's get these two front ones. You know, we're here now. Let's get it right in there. Now we're going to run Bella in a minute. Let her just idle nice. Let's get over to the other side. Let's see where we are here. Oh, old Humble gets to sit down. Yay! All right, let's move this out of the way. Get right in there with some of this gumbo. All right, let's use the brush. Sometimes the brush is what you want to use. Get right in here. This will stop rust in its tracks. It will stop it. It's an excellent lubricant, as you saw, and it will stay on there beautiful. It won't make a mess, and it will really, really work. You can use a different kind of brush. to get up into here. If this is too much work for you, replacing the bolts is their next step, so I hope you have fun doing that. Alright, that really didn't do very well. Let's get this in there. So we get it in there nice. Now, you can see there's a spot down inside there we should get. Lazy is not your friend. Lazy is your enemy. It puts its arm around you. It wants you to believe that it's your friend. But it's not, because it's just putting off the inevitable. You're going to have problems shortly thereafter. Let's get up here for these. See the water come out? And the gumbo goes in. And there's only 4 of them, so I mean, how lazy can you be? You don't want to do them. But when they turn rusty, now it's a fucking problem. Unless you don't give a shit, which that's up to the individual. The ground's a little damp yet, as you would expect. Let's get right in there for this big one. Yeah, let's get him. Let's get this little fucker here. Now let's get the last 2 up front. Right up in here where you can barely see. Look at the water come out. Or I hope you can see it. There we go. Now as that idles, the heat is going to dissipate any other water. Get right in there. Okay, I think we've got her pretty good. Oh, wait. I want to get this good down here. This is the time to do it, guys. This is the time to do it. Now we're going to come back, as I say, with a cloth. We're going to wipe this down nice, so you're not going to see this overage that you're seeing right now. All right, we're happy thus far. Okay, I think we got her. So let's stop the video for right now when I get my hand. Oh, I almost went out my ass. That was close.
Good save, Humble.
Thanks, Squonky. Holy shit, I thought I was airborne. My ankle went underneath me. All right. Oh, she's gonna look good.
Oh, wait a minute, Humble. You forgot 2 on this side.
Oh yeah, you're right, I did. You're right. All right. You're right, I did. Oh, what'd I do without Squonky?
You wouldn't make a good video, I'll tell you that.
All right, stuff that right in there. Stuff her right in there. Give it something it can handle, whether it likes it or not, all right? And I noticed when Bella came back for her maiden voyage, the back of my fender was actually touching the tire and scuffing the piss out of it. Well, they didn't mean to do it, but they put the fender on backwards. If you can see, there is almost 0 clearance to that right there. Nice Avon. Oh yes. Okay, let's I was wondering why stuff was flying off and covering my face, because it has to be that close to be happening. All right. Now she'll just sit and warm up nice. And never hurts to have a little something extra behind the wheel just in case. Of course, we got the land burrowing. As you can see, she's trying to walk backwards, but we got to think ahead, you know. It's got to be us who's keeping the brain going. All right, I can smell it. It's warm. Doesn't take much when you got the size of 454 pistons leaping around in there. Well, guys, now I can let it dry, and we'll start with the next phase. Next phase is right here. Brand new cloth too. Brand new cloth right here. And we've got this stuff, brand new. Not that old one, we got a brand new one. So, but then always good to have some of this on hand. The thread locker blue, so you can get that off again without breaking anything. Here's the other one. We'll probably use this up. But there's not much left in it. I wonder why this one has a little bit of difference. Look at this. There's no shine like mother's. Oh, hey, that'd be a good fucking screen shot. Squared away, shining like a champion. Look at that paint shine. Oh, baby. Chrome is looking nice. Headlights looking nice. Springs are all polished. Look at that tank. Oh man, check that puppy out. Look at it. Look at how you can see the trees in the background. Look, you can see the lawn. Holy shit. I'm seeing the fucking lawn behind me in the black. That is a trip. Look at me. I'm seeing my own self. Wait a minute. Is that what I'm seeing? Yeah, it is. That's bizarre. Check that. I'm in the fucking tank. Can you fucking believe it? Well, that's shiny. Wow. I can't see it with my naked eye. Can you see Bella? Oh. You know what her last name is? El Dorado. That means beautiful city of extravagant wealth. Wow. So one of these days I'm going to have that put on right across the fender. Bella El Dorado in gold leaf. Yep, Bella El Dorado. That's a sweetheart, boy, I'll tell you. Look at that shit. I even did I polished these little nobblers off too. Now these ain't a hell of a big deal. I mean, they're pretty small, but they do work, and that's good enough for old Humble. What a sweetie heart. Oh my God. Oh, I got a little bit here I gotta wipe out. I just see. Oh, isn't it nice? You know, now that I got it clean, I want to take it out for a ride, but the driveway's muddy, so that's ridiculous. Well, that's it for today, guys. Old Humble.
Wait, you didn't see old Humble.
Didn't see old Humble. Here's old Humble. There I go. Yeah. Oh, I slept good this morning. Boy, I slept late. I slept in. Whew. I have no idea what the fuck I was dreaming, but I was doing something. I'll see you the next time. God bless you. Oh, I did talk to that fellow that I mentioned in the video. He said, thank you very much, Humble. I know how much you really love me now because you were willing to tell me the truth. He said, I'm gonna seek the Lord like I never saw him before. Yeah, pray for that fellow, would you? Believe God that he's gonna get healed and he's gonna be all right. Okay? Bye-bye now.